What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a Google Ads certifications on LinkedIn. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in LinkedIn. After that, click on this first website because this is the official website of LinkedIn. Now, after coming here, you can see after that, you can sign in with Microsoft email, or if you are new to LinkedIn, just simply click on join now and then enter your email, your password, and other credentials. And after that, LinkedIn will ask you some basic questions and a couple or more puzzles. Just simply answer these questions and solve those puzzles, and then you will be able to log in or sign up on the LinkedIn homepage. Now, after coming to the homepage, on the right side at the top, click on your profile and then click on view profile. Now, after coming here, click on add profile section. Now, from here, find add certificates. After finding the add certificates option, as you can see here, it is add licenses and certifications. Click on that option and then enter the name of your certificate. Now, here are some of the Google Ads certifications. You can choose whichever you have got. And after that, type in the issuing organization, which is Google. And after that, enter the issue date and the month and the year of your certification issue date, and then the expiration date of your certification. After that, enter the credential ID which is present on your certificate and enter the credential URL. And after that, when you click on save, your certification will be saved and will be added to your LinkedIn account. So this is how you can add Google as certificate in LinkedIn. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.